What's going on, guys? Anders here. Today I will be giving you a review of one of the best gadgets I ever had on my hands, the portable speaker DITOO from Divoom. Now without further ado, let's get into it. First off, I want to mention that even the main feature of DITOO is to be a Bluetooth speaker, it offers more than that, like display screen notifications from your phone, play games, record voice messages, and more. So starting with a quick unboxing, I need to say that I love the packaging design that instead of coming with a regular product box, it comes inside of this cool hard case that shows the DITOO on the front, and on the back some of the main features as well as a QR code to download the Divoom app. After opening the hard case, we are gonna get the DITOO speaker itself that looks amazing, a user manual, a Type-C USB cable, and a few cool pixelated stickers. The design of DITOO is adorable and it has the shape of a retro desktop. It's made with glossy plastic, which unfortunately means a lot of fingerprints, but surprisingly it's not easy to get scratches thanks to its exceptional glossy finish that I wish to be used on real PC cases, since I personally really hate the scratches on the glossy areas. The DITOO speaker features a 3.5-inch screen with 256 programmable RGB LEDs, a toggle switch, and what I believe are blue switches for this cute little keyboard that of course light up. The keyboard is straightforward to use, so you have the menu button that also helps you to turn off the keyboard lights by holding it, and works as a back button when you are inside of the apps. The volume up and down. The arrows enable you to toggle between menus, change songs, and by pressing it you can increase or decrease the brightness of the screen. The light button will help you to change the screen images, and finally the toggle works as an action button for the menu applications. On the back of the screen is located the 10 watts 45mm speakers pointing to the top. Behind DITOO is a small group that helps to power the bases. On the right side we are gonna find a mini SD card slot that support micro SD cards up to 64GB. Then there is a small button that helps you to turn on or turn off DITOO by holding it 5 seconds, which by the way, every time that you turn on the DITOO speaker it shows a different open screen, which is a very cool detail on my opinion. This same button also gives you the battery status with a single click and activates or deactivates the Bluetooth with double click. On the bottom, DITOO has 4 rubber feet that helps him to have better stability on surfaces. And lastly, it has one USB port. You can find DITOO on 5 different colors: green, white, blue, pink and black. Now let's talk about the applications built on DITOO. To access the apps, you will need to press the menu button and navigate with the arrows. The first apps are the games. DITOO has 9 games available. From the ones my favorite are Pixel Tetris, Astro Battle, Pixel Snake and Pixel Race. Everything is pixelated with DITOO. The next app is called Coloring, which is more advanced when you are using your cell phone app, but when you are playing directly with DITOO, you will need to fill the pixel colors using the arrows and the toggle. On the tool application, you will find a scoreboard, stopwatch, a sound level meter, and a countdown meter. Lastly, on the music app, you can listen music coming from a Bluetooth device or from the SD card reader. You can connect DITOO directly to any Bluetooth device, but I recommend you to connect it to your phone using the Divoom app so that you can make real use of DITOO. And let me tell you guys that there's a lot that you can do with this app. For starters, you can control all the applications and games that I already mentioned. Plus you will be able to add screensavers by downloading designs from the Divoom Pixel Art Gallery, and believe me guys that there is a lot of designs to choose, from gaming to movies, even anime. Whatever you have in mind, you search for it and bang, you will find multiple options to choose. Or you can just create your own background or screensavers and then share them on the Divoom Pixel Art Gallery. This app allows you to set up notifications from your social media or phone calls. You can also program alarms, create music, create pixelated text, and a lot of more cool stuff. But that's enough about fancy stuff, let's talk about this speaker audio. I like that even you level up the volume to the max, the speaker doesn't create any noise or give you the feeling that it will explode. It actually looks like the Divoom programmed like that, so there's no way that you break it by using crazy volume. The audio is a little bit middle, so you don't get those annoying high pitches, but also you don't get those great basses. Unfortunately, there is no an equalizer for this speaker, and in my opinion, I would love to increase those basses. In that way, this speaker definitely will sound more powerful. But don't get me wrong, the speaker audio is actually on point. You can hear all the instruments nice and clean. I just like more basses when I listen to music. You know, personal preference. Anyways, hopefully Divoom can add an equalizer in a future app update. That will be amazing. So, how to know if the DITOO speaker is for you? Well, if you are searching for something portable that sounds good and offer many different applications, not just a simple speaker, then the answer is yes, DITOO is for you. But if you are searching for something more like, well, just a speaker, you may explore for other options. And that's all for today's video, my friends. Let us know what you think about the DITOO speaker on the comments below. If you like the video, don't forget to give that thumbs up, share, subscribe, and smash that notifications bell. On that way, you won't miss any of our future videos and content. If you're a gamer and like music, make sure to take a look to my second channel where I just started making music cover videos from games. This is Anders. See you next time.